Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Welcome back to Jevan Public School and Junior College. I am Rupali Chalwadi, your English teacher. Today I will going to explain you composition. So in that we will see writing a paragraph. So you can see in your English grammar textbook page number 115. So there is a picture. Write a paragraph about this picture in 8 to 10 sentences. So you can see that picture on the page number 115. So now I will going to explain you what is a paragraph writing and how to write a paragraph writing. Okay. So now first we will see what is a paragraph writing. Paragraph writing is a group of sentences which makes a complete paragraph on any particular topic is known as paragraph writing. So paragraph writings comes under the category of creative writing also, please remember. And then understood what is paragraph writing? Okay, now we will see how to write a paragraph writing. So dear students, please remember the points. First, I will show you the following points to remember how to write a paragraph writing. First, you have to introduce the scene or topic. Okay, you have to introduce the topic or scene. And then second point is what? Describe what you see in that picture or topic. Now, third point is that you have to define the topic. And the fourth point is what? If the topic is about any particular thing, person or any scene and all, you have to write, if it is possible to write problems, solutions, advantages, disadvantages, benefits, you can write on that. Okay. And then the last one is what? Conclude. So conclusion is very important. It must there in the paragraph. So conclude with what you feel or think about the picture or topic. Okay, understood what is paragraph writing and how to write paragraph writing? Now we will see in your English grammar page number 115 there is a paragraph writing. Okay, so you have open the page number 115. You have to open that English grammar textbook. Now you can see that there is a picture of a street. Okay. Yes, this picture is about a narrow city street. So this is a picture of a narrow city street. It is daytime and some people are going to work. So some people are going to work. A group of children looking quite dressed up are walking towards the viewer. Two men are leaning against a shop counter and talking. Some people, some other people can be seen walking in the background. A rickshaw and a scooter are parked on either side of the narrow lane. The shutters of one shop are drawn and there are not too many people on the street. So perhaps it is still early in the morning. So this picture tells us this is the early in the morning and few peoples are walking to their office and some children are coming towards the viewers and two men they are talking and there is one rickshaw and one scooter is there. Okay, now we will see there are various shops and billboards around and mesh of wires is hanging overhead. You can see here there are few wires hanging overhead. So this picture reminds me of a typical scene at the local market where I often go with my mother to buy things. So this picture tells us that whenever you go with your mother to a shop or any street, you can see that this kind of view you can see. Okay, understood this paragraph writing? So now you have to write this paragraph writing in your English notebook. Okay, with the points whatever given. So if it is possible for you to write in your own sentence, teacher will accept all the relevant responses. So teacher will accept all the own sentences. If you write in your own sentence, teacher will accept. Okay, I hope you understood what is a paragraph writing. Okay, thank you so much.